Everyone, today I want to show you how you can change your YouTube channel name. It's now easier than ever. I will show you how you can do it on desktop. So let's go. To change your channel name on desktop, head to the youtube.com homepage, and up in the right hand corner click on your profile picture. Right now I have the name browse the computer, or I can say BTC. To change this, let's click on YouTube Studio. Okay, so we have to click here YouTube Studio. Then within YouTube Studio, over on left hand side, let me scroll down, then I will show you. Within your YouTube Studio, over on left hand side, let's click on customization. Then within customization, click over into basic info. Within basic info, at the very top here, I see the channel name. Browse the computer. I can click on this edit icon, and I can now type a new name for my channel. But I don't want to change my channel name, so I'm not going to change my channel name. If you want to change your channel name, whatever you have to add, or you have to completely change your channel name, so you can type over your channel name. Once you change your channel name, up in the top right hand corner you can click over here this uh, uh, publish now, that we have updated the channel name. Okay, so that's all. I will tell you, let me explain it one more time, that if you have done once you change your channel name, right? I'm gonna just basic changes in it, like I'm just gonna add just a full stop, right? So you are able to see here this publish button, and you have to just simply click on this button, then it will get updated. Okay, so I don't want to change my channel name, just I will do this one. I'm removing that full stop. So that's all in this video. I hope you all like this. So I hope everything is clear to you all. If any step, anything which is not clear to you, so you can comment down below. So that's all in this video. I hope to see you next time. So bye guys.